Getting ready to make the change from cutting oil to mineral oil. I bet you wonder what I'm talking about. Well, if you own a sawmill, you got to sharpen blades. And boy, do we have a lot of blades to sharpen. You look over on that table over there, there's blades. You look over on this little work area here, there's blades. Then you come over here, there's blades. There's blades. Now we have a little system for telling if our blades are sharp or not. So when we're out using a blade and we take it off the mill, we fold it up, put a zip tie on it, and it's long. That means that blade has not been sharpened. Now, if you come over here, here's a blade on the rack, the zip tie's been cut off. That tells me that blade is sharp and ready to go. And it's put right there. But we have blades over here that are on the rack that have got to be sharpened. So today I took the time to clean out the cutting oil because it was full of suspended metal from the millings off the, there's a whole quart container of it. So I took all the oil, drained it all out of here, wiped it all down, and we're getting ready to put mineral oil and start sharpening blades with mineral oil. Tractor Supply. And the thing about the mineral oil is it's not supposed to smell as nasty as the other cutting oil. Because that cutting oil, once you're using it on here, it really starts to smell. And boy, does it look clean. Take a look at that. So we're going to start off with 2 gallons. So you ask what the reason for the oil is. The reason you have oil in here is there's a pump that pumps the oil up onto this CBN stone. So this is a diamond impregnated stone that does the sharpening on the blade. Now there's different stones for different profiles, and I'll explain to you what profiles are in another video. Well, now we're full. And then we're going to roll this thing in here. I'll take a second to get it set up. And we're going to put these magnets in here. So the magnets keep the metal, if you watch right there, see how that metal goes right to that magnet? See how it goes right to that magnet? And that magnet sticks on the magnet. That magnet keeps the metal out of the pump. Oops. Just like that. And then I've got 2 extra magnets that collect stuff too. All right, now we slide this drawer right in here. This over a little bit. Just like so. Now, crank this up. Oil ought to come right out of there. I'm gonna take it a second. I want to see how it flows out of there. So that's how we change the oil, go from cutting oil to mineral oil. And mineral oil is supposed to be the next best thing for sharpening blades. All right, we're out of here. Have some fun.